who gets to decide what is kinky and what is not? Because if you think about sex, like what is the primer purpose of sex, right? Is a male and a female having intercourse with the purpose of procreating. That's it. And he's on top, she's on the bottom, ejaculation happens, that's the end of it. And then we evolve, and then we figure out that actually it's pleasurable, and actually we could do other things with this activity besides just making babies. And then someone might decide at some point, like, what about if we switch? What about if I, the female, I'm on top and he's in the bottom? And probably I won't go further than my grandparents, that might be something outrageous. That might be something kinky for them, if they will know the term, if they even knew the term. So the kink could be from that point, from that level, like who's to judge? There's nobody to judge. From that level to I don't know where. So that being said, it's just the evolution. Kinky space is a space of exploring, expanding, experimenting, endless possibilities and combinations. I'll dare to say it's a magical space.